Okay, so guys, good evening. Again, this is Manoj from Future. So, hope my voice is audible, right? So, till now, I think around 100 students have joined the meeting. So, let us wait for another 5 more minutes and we can start our session. Okay. Before that, if you have any doubts or questions in the last class, kindly put it in the question box. Sorry, Ravindan, I don't know about this attendance because I'm not tracking your attendance. Attendance has been automatically tracked through your webinar. Okay. So you can ask with your coordinator. No worries, man. You just get a clarification from there. So, guys, if you have any questions or queries in the last session, you can put it in the question box. So I'll give this first 10 minutes for question session. So you can put it in the chat box. So, hi. Sure. So, I've been assignments just to press course. Sure, I will come back again. Okay. Good evening, Rohit. Sure, still now it's not planned yet. It might be in future. Okay, fine. So, how many students are there in the meeting? Okay, approximately we have 340 students. Okay, so guys, if you have any questions in the last class, you can post it in the question box. I already said this. I will be giving this first 10 minutes for question clarification session. So if you have any doubts, you can post it over there. Okay, guys. Now I hope my screen as well as my audio is clear, right? So can I get a quick reply from you people? Yes. Okay. Thank you, guys. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you for your reply. Okay. So in the last class, we have seen hyphen method, and then we have okay. Before telling about this, I want you people to say what are the methods we have seen in the last class. So come on, guys. You can type it in the question box and you can post it over there so that I can understand that how much people were listening there. I want it in a single message, like what are the methods we have seen in a single text and in single sentence. Okay, I think Udayamali have given a clear thing. We have seen saw method. What is the KLC method? Okay, hyphen method. Okay, was method. Was method, hyphen method, 11 multiplication. Okay, super. Okay, fine. So now I hope you all are clear in those methods, right? If not, raise your hand. If you're not clear in those methods, just raise your hand. If you're clear on those methods, you need not wanted to raise your hand. If you're not clear in those methods, you can just raise your hand so that we can start from new questions. I mean the new topic. Okay. So no one have raised your hand, and at the same time, I did not get any text message. So I hope you all are clear in it. Okay. So the last class we have seen SAR method and hyphen method and OS method and 11 multiple and as well as 101 is your friend. So that is also an easy multiplication number, which is for 2 digit and 1001 and 1201. So these are numbers which we will be using there normally. Okay, fine. So now basically why we people are learning aptitude. So you all know that for problem solving skills and all these stuff. But when we are getting questions, most probably we'll be having 1 minute for one single question. Like some cases we have two minutes for one question or 1.5 minutes. So we might have this kind of time also. When we are having 1 minute, if you're not clear in the question, you are a little bit clear in the question, but it takes lots of time to calculate the question and you're supposed to find the answer. For example, let me give a question for you people. Okay. Okay, guys, look over here. So, still 1 to 25 square values you already know. And now 91 square is equal to question mark. And you have four options A, B, C, and D. How you are going to select option? I'm not going to give you an option because it's a very simple question. So we have the four options. So how you will be selecting this option? How will you select in any of this? Which is going to be your right answer? How you are going to select this? I don't want the answer. How you are going to select that's it. Based on the last digit. Okay, based on the last digit. Okay, fine. So I have last digit as one. Okay. Let me write the entire answer. So I will give the entire options. Okay, my first option is going to be 830 7 1. And my B option is going to be 8 20 8 20. And my third option is going to be 7 8 8 1. And my last option is going to be none of the above. Okay, now how we are gonna select this option? Okay, option B, option B, option B. Okay, I got one answer, option B, 8 to 8, 8 when. Okay, how you are saying this is option B? We'll check the similarities. Fatima. Okay, what similarities? So here it is also 8. And here everyone we have 1, 1, 1, B, B. Okay, yeah, B is the right answer, guy. I know B is the right answer. I can say in an easy way, I can easily find the answer by some of the methods which I'm going to teach you in upcoming and in the same session. You can find it easily. But my question, how you are going to find it out? That is what my question. Okay, here it is 91 square. You are saying it in an easy way. Okay, let us keep this as your answer. This as your question. For this question, how you are going to say 9 square. So we have 9 square. For 9 square, you are saying option B. See, it is three digit. Yamani, see this. We have three digit number. It should have at least 5 digit or 6 digit. So it starts with 9. So most probably I will not have 5 digit. Definitely it's going to be 6 digit number. Okay, for this question, how you are going to say the answer? A minus B the power of 2. Okay, fine. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that. I think you can see this board. See here, 830, sorry, 8371 and 7881 and 8281. And option D, none of the above. You can leave this none of the above. That is unwanted one. So I wrote because of you have to ignore it. Okay, now we have this three option. You will be seeing the similarities. But uh, as we have a shortcut, when we are finding for questions, we have a shortcut. Let me say the shortcut first of all. Okay. The shortcut is very simple. See now, first step, I'm supposed to check whether this 91 square is near for which number. So 0, 50, and 100. I have these three numbers, right? In this three number, which number is nearest for 91? That is what I'm supposed to see. So 91 is nearest to 100, I'm sure. Okay. What is different from 100 to 91? It's just 9. So what is 9 square value? 81. So my last two digit is going to be 81. In the option also, I have shown one option as 81 and the last only one digit is 1. And one option I have, which is B option, we have 8 1 was there. So see this, I am getting last two digits easily. I'm getting last two digits easily. This is a shortcut method to find it out easily. So if you are checking for last one digit, yeah, you can find 1 square is 1. So last digit is going to be 1, of course. Yes, you are right. And if it is you have like 36 square, so last digit is 6. So definitely the number also will ends with 6. The number also will be ends with 6. But the previous three digit number we can't find, right? We can't find the balance three digit number. Okay. So for that purpose, we can use this method. So we will be checking from, so 36 is nearby 50. So I'll be doing 50 minus. Okay, let us go for the question. I will give a clear question. We'll go for the big question which I have given for 996. I have given 996, right? You can go for that question. Okay. 996 square. So options will be there. So now my thing what I'm supposed to do is 0, 50, 100. I'm supposed to check with this number, which is 96. I'm supposed to see only for the last two digits. So 96 is nearby 100. Okay. 100 minus 94. Sorry, 96. I'll be getting 4 as my difference. So 4 square is equal to 16. So for this number, if you are squaring this number 996 square, you will get 16 as the last two digit. You can check it out. You'll be getting 16 as the last digit. So check and say that whether you're getting last two digit as 16. Check and say that whether you're getting the number or not. Okay. So you're getting it right. Okay, fine. So Rohit are given. Thank you, Rohit. Okay, hope you all are getting it. Okay. So now let me give few of questions. Let me give few questions. So you just try it out and find and say the answer in a single shot. Okay. Yesterday, what we will be doing, we will be presenting four questions, and you're supposed to say all the questions in the single row, right? So same thing I'm going to do. So or else let me try another question so that you will be getting a clear clarity, right? So let me try another question. So for example, 79 square. So 79 square, I'm supposed to check with 0, 50, and 100. Okay. So 79 is nearby 50 or 100. 79 is nearby 50 or 100. Okay. Of course, it is nearby 100. So 79 minus 100, I'll be getting 21. Okay. 21 square. So 21 square is nothing but 441. So 29 square is 441. So that means 79 square will have last two digits as 4441. So you'll be having last number as 41. You just try it out whether you're getting it or not. You'll be having last digit as 41. That will be your answer. Check it once. Check it once whether you're getting it or not. Okay, Surinder, thank you. Okay, fine. So that's it. So now I will give some questions. So try to solve it by yourself. Okay, try to solve it by yourself. Don't use calculators. Don't use calculators because you have already learned till 25 squares. So you have already learned till 25 squares. I hope you all are clear in that 25 squares. If it is somehow it is 24, you know the 24 square value. If somehow if the difference is 23, you know the value. So any number, you know the value. So don't write calculators. Yeah, good evening. Kushal, good evening. Okay, so let me get the questions. Okay. So 127 square. Then what next? Okay, another question. Let me give us 270, sorry, 724 square and solve for 2617 square and solve for 7347 square. And, okay, guys. So I have given five questions, right? I want five questions in a single answer. Yeah, come on. Solve it and give the answer in the question box. Oh shit. I'm really sorry, guys. Let me write the questions once again. I'm really sorry for it. I'll write the questions once again. So we have Windows semester. That's it, guys. You can try to find out the answer. Find the answers and put it over in the question box. So I got answer like 529, 576, 529, 76, and 9. Karthiban have given this answer. Karthiban, like, for example, if it is 27, you will be having last, at last, you will be having, I want the only last two digits, that is enough. Last two digits is enough. I wanted all the answers, not only for one question, I wanted for all the questions. Jaya Surya, I wanted for all the questions. Okay, 29, 76. Okay, Guru. Fine. Okay. Super. Okay, super. Okay, super guys. Hope you all have started. Okay, Somo Prasad, okay, Somo Prasad have given in a good way. We have mentioned each thing clearly. Good one. Okay, guys, fine. Super. So hope you all are clear in this method, right? So I don't want to. Can I explain this, or it's not needed to explain this method? Like put it in the chat box if you want that. I wanted to explain all these terms again. I will explain it, or else we can go for another method. Explain, sir. Okay, fine. I'm getting the first messages. Yes, from Karthiban. Okay, fine. Let me explain this. Okay. Okay. First of all, we have 127. So I'm supposed to check for the number which is near for this 127. So 0, 50, and 100. So I'm gonna find only the last two digits. So I don't want to take the entire digit. I'm gonna take this last two digits. So this is 27. So 27. 27 is nearer for which number? 27 is nearest for which number? This nearest for 50. Right. Now 50 minus 27. So 27 is nearest by 50. So 50 minus 27. So 50 minus 27. I'll be getting as 23. So what is 23 square? 23 square is nothing but 529. So 529. So last two digits is 29. So my answer is going to be 29. So either I can, this step I can do it, I'll be getting the answer there also. But for that, sometimes you might have to do for a very big method. See here it is 27, right? It is 27 in the last. If I wanted to find the value, so I wanted to find the value, see 27 square, directly just find what is 27 square value. I think 27 square value is 729. See here also you have last digit as 29. You can find it in this way, or else if you want, you can find it in this way, or else you can directly find it in that method also. You can use this method and you can find it in this way. See, for example, if it is 88, you don't know what is 88 square. If it is 88, you don't know what is 88 square. Right. So you can't able to find 88, what is 88 square, and you are calculating. If you have last digit as 88, you know that 88 is nearby 100. So if I minus 88 minus, minus 88 from 100, I will be getting 12. I hope you all know this. So 12 is, sorry, 12 12s are, I will be getting 44. So that means last two is going to be 44. See, this is the reason we are using this shortcut method. Okay, this is the one reason we are using this shortcut method. Okay. So second question. See, second question is just 24. So 24 is nearest for 0. So 0 minus 24, are we getting the same 24? So 24 square is, so it is nearby 0. 0 minus 24, I'll be getting same 24. So 24 square is equal to 576. 576. So my last digit is going to be 76. Next one. So here it is 47. See, here it is 47. Okay, here it is 47. So now if I square this, what is going to be my answer? So difference is nothing but 3. So nearest number is 50. If I minus from 50, I'll be getting 3. So 3 square is nothing but this 9. So again, my answer will be 9 will be my answer. Okay. So 9 is going to be our answer. So here I said that we will be getting last two digit, but here I get only one digit, right? So then you can ask me, sir, I'm getting only one digit. So how I can find this value? You'll be getting 0 9. That's it. You'll be getting 0 9. Very simple. For this, you will be getting 0, 9. If you're getting last digit as only one single digit, you will be having one zero in front of it extra. That's it. Next question. See here it is 17. So let us know what is 17 square. It is nearest to 0 and 0 minus the 17. So you will be getting same 17. So 17 square is nothing but 289. So last two digits are 89. So here you don't even want to calculate this. So it is 55. So difference is 5. You don't even if it is not 55. Let us keep this the 75. If it is 75 also you can calculate this. Even if it is 70, you can easily find it out. You will be okay. 75 is nearest for which number? Which Okay, let me write that question once again. Okay, it is 75. Let us keep the 75 square. So now see 75 is there. So now what is going so 75 is nearest for which number? Is that is nearest for 50 or it is near for 100? Okay, neither both. Okay, super. So but whenever the number is ends with 5, whenever the number ends with 5, listen, whenever the number ends with 5, I don't even want to calculate or do anything. Definitely the last digit will be 25. So definitely your answer will last two digits will be 5. You don't even want to calculate because that is what I said in hyphen method, right? For example, if it is 15 square, so last number should be 5. So if it is last number is 5, automatically it will be 25. And once next number is 2, so 1 2s are 2, so I'll be getting 25. So if it is like for example 55, so again, so 5 is next number is 6, 6 5s are 30. So it ends with 5, so it will be 25. So this is what. And it is 5, you don't even want to calculate, you can easily identify that the number definitely will be ends with 25. Okay, that's it. So this is a method for easily finding the answers when you have square values, or even you can use this when you have aptitude questions. A few questions you might have to calculate or multiply them. You can use this kind of methods and you can find the answer. Okay. So then how we should do this method for like this number like 12400 square. See there it is double zero, so definitely my answer also will be ends with four zeros. That's all. So there we have two zeros, so definitely I will be having answer with four zeros. Zeros will be always doubling themselves. If we have one zero, we will be mentioning it as two zero. If we have three zeros, we will be mentioning it as six zeros. So we will be doubling them. Okay, fine. So now yesterday I said that by learning this 25 squares, I said that you can easily solve questions like many square values, right? So now let me say what is that method? Okay, let me teach you that method so you can calculate them easily. So but you're supposed to do the same thing. You're supposed to calculate without calculators. Calculate, I know it very well. You can calculate them without calculators. I'm clear on it. But you are supposed to be clear on it. Okay. Now let me give a question, guys. Let us take a number. Okay, okay, I will put this number. Okay, before going to that number, I will say the conditions first. So condition is very simple. The number should be inside 40 to 60. The number should be between 40 to 60. If the number is between 40 to 60, you can calculate them easily. So someone have raised their hand once again. Let me check who it is. Kavya have raised your hand. Okay. Someone raised their hand. Okay, they have lowered their hand. Fine. Okay, no worries. So am I audible, guys? Can you put it in the chat box? Okay, I got yes. Now it's not audible. Whether it is audible or not, like I'm getting the notification that my internet has been lost. That's the reason I'm asking, guys. So can I get a quick reply here once again? Now it's not audible. So now it is audible. So, okay, thank you, man. Thank you, guys. Thank you for this super cool. Okay, fine. Okay, so now, so I got these all values in a simplest form, in a simple method. It's very simple. So let me teach you that method before. But if you learn this method, you can use the same method for 26 to around 74. You can use the same method for this much numbers. Same method. What method you're going to use for this one? You're going to use the same method for this one. The thing is, you're supposed to learn till all, like till 25 squares clearly. If you're learning that, then this will be easy. Then this will be easy. Okay. So that's the reason. So now let me explain the method. Okay, let me explain that. We can go for this 24 to 74 later, and that you're going to try, not me. Okay, you're going to try that method. Okay. Now my question is here over is 49, right? 49 and 54 square. Okay, now this 49. So this 40 to 60, what is the middle number of 40 to 60? So obvious, of course, you know this. This is 50. The 50 is the middle number, right? Okay. From 50 minus 49, what is my value? It is minus 1. Minus 1. This value is very important. Minus 1. Okay. So minus 1 is my answer. So what is half of 50? This is 25. So 25 minus 1. Sorry. 25 minus 1. I'll be getting 24. What is 1 square? 1. So 1 square is 1. But I know that when I'm multiplying two-digit number, I will be getting answer in three-digit or in four-digit. And here the number is 49. So definitely I know that I'll be getting four-digit number. If it is more than 32 itself, I'll be getting four-digit. Why 32 more than 32 is because 32 square is 1024. So 32 square is 1024. That means see here 32 itself you're getting four digit. So 31 square is not four digit, it's three digit number. So now 1024 is a four digit number. So that means I know clearly when it comes more than 32, definitely I'll be getting four digit number. So here, how much digits I will be getting? Again, I'll be getting four digits, but here I'm getting only one digit as last number. So I'll be adding one zero in front of it. Okay. Now see this question. So I will explain the same question. Sorry, so I will explain another question in the same way. So now 54. So my base value is going to be 50. Okay. So 50 minus 54, I'll be getting plus 4. Okay, plus 4. Okay, not in this way. Sorry, one second. You're supposed to do 49 minus 50 and okay, 54 minus 50. Okay, so now I'll be getting plus 4. So this plus is like, I think you can understand this. It's very simple. More than 50 or less than 50. That is what we are supposed to see. So this is more than 50. How much? It is 4. So it is nothing but plus 4. So now 24, sorry, 25. Here I have plus, so plus 4, which is nothing but 29. So 4 square is 16. So my answer is 29, 16 is my answer. So let me do it, sir. Let me explain this once again so that you will be getting a clear idea on this. So I'm using a laser point. Okay. So see here, this method is supposed to be used in say 40 to 60. That will be easy for you. And then so 49 square, I have to find 49 square. So if I want to find 49 square, so my base number is 50. 50. So 49 minus 50, I'll be getting difference as minus 1. So I'm supposed to subtract with 25. What is the difference between base number? I'm supposed to subtract with 25. If I subtract with 25, I'll be getting 24. So it is 1. I'm supposed to add here. 1 square is 1. So I'm getting only one digit in the end. So I want 4 digits. So I'm putting 0 in between them. So my answer will be 24. 01 is going to be my answer. Now see for this question, we have 54 square. So my difference is plus 4 here. From 50, it is plus 4. So 25 plus 4, I'll be getting 29. And 16, sorry, 4 square is 16. So my answer is 29. 16 is my answer. Okay. So let me give another question. Okay, let us see for another question. So let us go for 48 square. So 48 square, see my base is 50. 50 minus 48, I'll be getting minus 2. Minus 2. So 50 minus 48, I'll be getting minus 2. 25 minus 2, I'll be getting 23. And it is 2. 2 square is 4. But I know that I want to get 4-digit numbers. So I'll be mentioning it as 04. Or else you can keep it in this way. If whenever you're getting whenever you're getting the difference as 1, 2, 3, you can write it as 01, 04, and 09. Only these numbers you will be having 0 in between them, you're supposed to add them. Other all numbers, you don't want to add any zeros in front of them. Okay. So, any doubt in this method? Guys, do you have any doubt in this method? Okay, fine. So, you have mentioned there is no doubt in this. Fine. So, no problem. Let me present in PPT so that you will be getting a clear idea about it. Okay. Once again. So you all know that numbers should be in 40 to 50. For we can use the same method for 26 to 74. But first of all, master in this numbers, then we can go for that numbers. Okay. So now first thing. So 50, 25. My base is 50. I'm supposed to subtract or add with 25. Okay. So what is going to be the number? So number is 47. So my number is over here is okay. Here I have number as 47. So now 47 is here. So 50 minus 47. So nothing but difference from 47 to 50. I'll be getting minus 3. So minus 3. So I'm supposed to subtract with this 25. So if I subtract with this 25, I'll be getting as 22. So what is 3 square? I already mentioned that if it is 1, 2, 3, and as well as it is 47, it is a 4-digit number. So I'm supposed to get it as 4 digits. So I will be mentioning as 3 square is 9. So 09 will be my answer. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So let us go for another one more question. Another one or two questions. Okay. So now here it is 41. So I have 41 from 50 to 41. My difference is 1. Sorry, not 1, 9. Okay. My difference is minus 9. Okay. This minus symbol is very important, guys, because we are supposed to be clear on plus or minus. We are supposed to add or subtract with this 25. Okay. Someone have texted. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Manika. Yeah. Texted there. What is the difference and everything. Okay, so 25. So I'm supposed to minus with 25 and 9. So if I subtract them, I'll be getting 16. So what is 9 square? 81. So my answer will be 16. 81 is going to be my answer. Here you can ask me, sir, why I'm not adding a zero in front of it? Because this is the two-digit number. I'll be my possibilities to get four-digit as my answer, not five-digit. So four-digit or three-digit is going to be my answer. Okay. So let us see another one more question. Okay. Now what is 52? So difference from 50 to 52 is plus 2. So if I do plus 2, so I have to do plus 2. So 25 plus 2, I'll be getting 27. So 2 square is 4. So I'll be writing it as 04. So my answer is 2704. Okay. So guys, now keep your hands in your question box. So now let us start with our questions. Let us see who's going to answer first. Okay. So try to try to use your brain. Don't use your calculator. Okay. So stop using your calculators and start giving the answers. Okay, fine. I hope you all are ready, right? Can I get a quick message that whether you are ready or not? Yes, super. Okay, I'm getting in a fastest way. Let us see who's going to answer first. Let us see. I'm waiting for who's going to answer first. Okay. Okay, your first question. What is 56 square? Okay, super, Guru. You have mentioned 31, 36. Okay, super. 31, 36. Okay, superb. I'm getting lots of answers. But Guru is the first person who answered it. Okay, super Guru. Okay, others also super guys. Okay, I got around 100 messages. Really happy for it. Okay, let us check the answer whether your answers are right answer or not. 31, 36. Okay, let us check that whether your answers are right or wrong. Okay, so your answer is right answer. Fine. Let us go for next question. Okay, I think everyone are ready again. Okay, next question is 49 square. It's very simple. I have already wrote this answer. Okay, I think Dhananjay have given the answer first. Okay, again, he is also went in the top. I can't see who have text first. Okay, fine. So 49 square is nothing but it is 24. 01 is your answer. So which we have already seen. Okay, let me go for the next question. We'll see. We'll see who's going to give the answer first. So your question is 43 square. So type it in the chat box. We'll see who's gonna first. Who's gonna be first? Okay, I think again Guru is the first person who typed the answer. Okay, super Guru is calculating fast. Okay, superb guys, superb. You are all trying good, good. And I'm also getting some wrong answers. Fine, guys. No problem. Don't type it as hurry burry. Okay, just calculate slowly. Okay, not slowly. Like this is the first time you're trying it, so you can slowly you can calculate them. Once you're mastering them, I said that you can calculate for 26 till 74, right? You can try that numbers also. Once you have mastered these numbers, you can go for that numbers. That is in your hands. That is in your hands, not in my hands. Okay. Okay, let us see the answer. So 1849 is the answer. Okay, let us see the next question. So next question is 59 square. Okay, what is the answer for 59 square? Okay, now who's the first person? Oh my god, I'm unable to find the person. Okay, this one I have texted. I think Vardraj. I have seen his name. I think so. I think he's the first person. I think Vardraj have given the answer first. Super one, man. Clear to be. Thanks for. See. Okay, let me explain this question once because I think Pranav has a doubt. I think. Okay. No worries, guys. You people listen this PPT once again. So let me explain this once again. Okay. So it's just nothing but 59 square, right? So let me write it over here. Okay. So I have 59 square. So my first step is to find difference between the middle number. So my base value for 42, 60, my base value is going to be 50. My base value for 40 to 60, my base value is 50. From 50, what is the difference for 59? Sorry, from 50 to 59, my difference is 9. Okay. From 25 plus 9. 25 plus 9, how much? 25 plus 9, I'll be getting 34. Right. 34 is my value for 25 plus 9. So now after finding this value, I'm supposed to find for last two digit. For finding last two digit, I'm supposed to do the square of this number. Previously, we were doing for the number like if it is square value of 996, we are find that by finding which number is nearest number and we'll be checking the difference and we'll be squaring that number, right? For finding last digit. So same thing, we are going to square this number. So square, if I square this number, I'll be getting 81. So my answer will be 3481 is going to be my answer. Okay, this is a very simple one. So let me say it once again. So first step, I'm supposed to check this number lies between which number? It lies between 40 to 60. So my base value is 50. 50 minus, sorry, 50 plus 9, I'll be getting 59. So 25 plus 9, I'll be getting 34. And 9 square is 81. I'll be writing the square value in the last. So this is how I'll be calculating this. Okay, fine. So let us go for the same page once again. So I hope you all are clear once again, right? I think only from Pranav. I think you're clear in it, or I have to explain it once again. Clear. Okay, super. But I'm not getting answer from Pranav. Okay, Pranav, I think you are clear in it, right? Okay, fine. So let us go for next question. So what is going to be your next question? We'll see. Keep your hands hot. Okay, let us type the answer. Okay, your question is 54. What is 54 square value? Okay, 29, 26. Who's first? Siddharth. Siddharth is the first person to reply for this answer. Okay, super one. Okay, super guys. I hope you all are clear in this method, right? You are answering in a fastest way, and when compared to last time, I think all the answers are right answers. Except like okay, that is a small mistake. That is fine. So I think you all are clear in this, right? Okay. So now let us go for another question. Okay, let us go for another method. Let us go for another method, which is very quite in simple and easy method. Same. So let me change the my screen. Okay. So now, guys, in the last thing we have seen from 40 to 60, we have used one method. Now we are going to use for 92, sorry, numbers between 92 110, 110. So we are going to find values for 90 to 110. If you are learning this 90 to 110, you can find answers around. If you are learning both the methods together, and if you're clear, if you're mastering this both the method, you can find answers till 325. I'm sure, because I can calculate till 325 without calculator. Okay. So the thing is, when I'm coming for 200, and if I go for more than 300, I'm supposed to multiply with this 2 and suppose multiply with 3. So that is a small minor additional thing you're supposed to do for the method. Other than that, methods are same. Other than that, methods all are same. Okay. For this only thing, you're supposed to be master on this two, and then you can go for the balance numbers. Okay. Now we can see this. Fine. So now let us take a number which is 95 square. 95 square. So 95 square can be calculated. So difference from now my difference value will be 100. So my difference value will be 100, which is nothing but base value. My base value will be 100 over here. Okay, what will be my subtracting or additioning value? What will be my value here? Any idea? Any idea what is going to be the number? Okay, 75, 5, 50, 100, 50, 50. Okay, 50. Fine. So guys, in that we were seeing for, in this we were seeing for base values 50, and we will be checking for half of this 50, which is 25. Half of this number, which is 25. But in this, when you are going for 100, you are not going to go for 100. You are going with the same number what it mentioned in the question. You are going to see with the same number which is mentioned in the question. Okay. So now how to check with the same number in the question? So now see here, 100 minus 5, I will be getting 95. So minus 5. So 95 minus 90, 95 minus 95, I'll be getting 90. And 5 square, you all know 25. So my answer is 90, 25. Okay. See, like, you can do it in another easy, simple method, which is high-five method. For 9 6 number is 10, 9 5 is 9, sorry, 9 10s are 90, and 5 square is 25. I can do it in this way also. I can do it in this way also. Both the things are easy. Okay. Both the things are easy. Okay. See, this is high-five method and this is mirrors method. Okay. This is high-five and this is mirrors method. So don't confuse both the methods together. Okay. Because if you're confusing with both the methods, then you might make mistakes. So that's the reason I'm saying this again and again. If you're clear in these methods properly, then really you can easily calculate till 325 easily without pen and paper, I'm sure. Because I can calculate. So if you are also being doing that, and you can also calculate it in a proper way. Okay. But you have to practice it. Fine. So let me explain another question. Let us go for three digit number, which is 104. Let us go for 104 square. So from 100, what is my difference? It is plus 4. So I'm supposed to add with the same number, which is 104. 100 and plus 104 plus 4, I'll be getting 108. 4 square is 16. So my answer is 10816 is my answer. You can ask me, sir, if this is three-digit number, how come I will be getting five-digit number? You all know that it is five-digit or six-digit, and this is a starting three-digit number. So definitely you will have only five-digit. You will not have six-digit number. Okay. So this is in another one. Okay. Let us do for another one more example. Let us do another one more example so that you will be having a clear idea about it. Okay, let us do 108 square. 108 square. So which is 108 square. So I'm supposed to check with the difference from 100. So it is plus 8. So plus 8. When I'm seeing for plus 8, so I'm supposed to add with same number. So 108 plus again 8. So I'll be having 116. So 8 square is 64. My answer is 11664. So hope you all got it right. So if you have any doubt, you can put it in the chat box, or else we can see the presentation and you can start solving the question. So any doubt in this method? So a quick reply in the chat box. No. Okay, super. Okay, let us go for the questions here. Okay, let us solve this. Let us see the PPT once again. Okay. See the PPT now. So we have base as, we have base as 100. Okay. For 90 to 100, my base is going to be, so 90 to 110, my base is going to be 100. Okay. So number is 98. So my number is 98. So 98. So 100 minus 2, I'll be getting 98. So my difference is minus 2. So my question value is nothing but 98. So again, I'm supposed to put there as 98. So 98 minus 2, I'll be getting 96. 2 square is, my value is 0.4. I hope you all remember this. This is 0.4. So my answer will be 0.4. So here my answer is going to be 98, sorry, 9604 is my answer for 98 square. Okay, let us see another one more question. Okay, 104. 104 is my question. So 104, it is plus 4. So plus 4, I'm supposed to add the same 104. If I add 104 here, I'll be getting 104, and 10 plus 104 plus 4, I'll be getting 108 over here. And square of 4, I'll be getting 16. So my answer is 10816 is my answer. Okay. So get ready with your chat box. Again, we are going to practice with questions. Let us see who's going to answer first. Okay. Okay, keep your figures ready. So what is answer for 92 square? What is answer for 92 square? Okay, 8464. So who's the first person to answer this? I think Siddhartha have given the answer once again, I think so. Okay, Superman. Siddharth Guru and okay, super. You all people are continuously answering all the questions. Okay, super guys. And Rohit also. And Ramya and super. Divya, okay, good. Okay, Shobika. Okay, Shobika is the first person I think she have texted it. Okay, fine. So let us check the answer once again. So your answer is yes. 8464 is your answer. Okay. So now I think let us go for next question, right? Okay, be ready with your answers. Let us go for next one. So your next question is 107 square. Okay, let us see who's going to answer for first one for this question. So 107. Okay, I think for this question, Ritika have given the answer first. Okay, super guys, super. Still you're calculating super Giri. Okay, super guys. You're calculating it in a very good manner. Okay, so let us check the answers. Yeah, 1144 9 is your answer. So let us go for next question. Let us see who's going to answer for this question. Okay, keep your hands ready. Now let us see for the next question. Next question is 95 square. So 95 square, you can say it in hyphen method in a fastest way. When compared to this method, you can say it in hyphen. Okay, so you all are giving in a good way. So I think Sarah have said the answer first. Okay, super guys. So guys, while you're calculating, be clear whether you are adding or whether you are subtracting the question. So you are supposed to be clear on it. You're supposed to be clear on it. So if you're adding or subtracting, you're supposed to do the right thing there. If you're doing addition instead of subtraction, then you'll be getting answer wrong. So that is also the thing will happen. So be clear on whether that you are supposed to add or subtract there. Okay. So now let us go for the answer. So answer is 9015 is the right answer. Okay. So I think you all have seen hyphen method. So I think we can skip this hyphen method, right? So hope you all have seen hyphen method. So let us skip this hyphen method. Okay. Okay, fine. So now I think we have learned from 1 square, 1 to 25 you already know, and then 40 to 61, and again 90 to 100, 90 to 110, again another one. And then finally you know that hyphen method, you can calculate till any number which ends in 5. So that is another thing. I think nearly you have learned till minimum of 50, 60 square values in an easy way. Okay. So now let us skip for this and we can go for some other method for squaring and finding the values. Okay, I think yesterday I've stopped somewhere here. Okay, what if you had other numbers? Okay, you have asked that when I should supposed to use this hi-fi method, so I will come once again for hi-fi. If someone is not clear with this, okay, let us check once again. So guys, whenever you have the last number, whenever you have this last number as 5, you can use this hi-fi method. So method is very simple. Whenever you have last number as 5 and square, your what you're supposed to do last number. So if you are squaring the last number, you will be getting 25. And 5, what is the previous number of 5? And if you have three-digit number, you're supposed to see all the three-digit number. Before 5, if you have three-digit number, you're supposed to take that three-digit number as the previous number. Okay. Now here I have only one-digit number, so I'm supposed to take 6. So what is next number of 6? So next number of 6 is 7. So my next step is I'm supposed to multiply 6 into 7. I'll be getting 42. So my answer will be 42 25. So that is going to be my answer. So how whenever I want to use this hyphen method, so rule is very simple. The number should be ends with 5 and it should have 5. Sorry, square. That's it. That's all. Okay. Okay. Hope you all clear. Okay. Do it in three-digit number. Okay. Let me do it in three-digit. Okay. We are here itself. We have a three-digit number. Okay. So see here I have 11 over here and here it is 5. So I know that it is 5 is in the last and the basic thing which I want is in square. So that is also over here. So what is my first step is my last is 5. 5 square is 25. So I know this last number is going to be 25. So here I have 11 as my previous number. So what is next number of 11? It is 12. So 11 12s are. What is value for 11 12s are? What's value of 11 12s are? So yes, it is. Sorry, dear, it is not 31, it is 32. Okay, it's 32. So my value is 132 is my answer. So now my answer, entire answer is going to be 13225 is going to be my answer. So it's very simple. You're supposed to check whatever the number is there, I'm supposed to write. Yeah, super. 13225 is my answer. Okay. So the main thing is you are supposed to find what is the previous number of 5. If you have 4 digit also, you are supposed to do the same. Okay, fine. Let me erase this. Okay. And what if you have other numbers? That is what your question. Like for example, 67 square. Okay, you can use still you can use mirrors method here also, but it will take some time. It will take some time to calculate when you are trying for the first time. So that I'm teaching another method. So you will be doing 67 into 67. What if it is 123 square? So 123 into 123. Okay. This is the reason. So now we are going to see another method, which is so I hope you all have seen this formula, right? What is a square plus b square? So a plus b whole square. Hope you all know this formula, which is a square So a plus b the whole square, because in your school days, even if you are sleeping in 10th standard adults, it's not even needed to say this. When you are sleeping, if I suddenly wake you and ask what is a plus b the whole square, you will be saying the answer properly. You'll be saying the answer which is a square plus b square plus 2ab will be the answer. I know that you will be saying this answer in a fastest way. That much you know about what is this formula. But right now, my question is, why you have learned this question, why you have learned this formula, and where you are using it. So now my question is very simple. Okay, my question is very simple. So you have learned this formula. So why you have learned this, and where you are using this formula? That's it. My question is very simple. Why you have learned this formula and where you are using this formula? That's all. I want this answer. Why you have learned this a plus b the whole square and where you are using this formula now? Or why you have learned it? Without reason, you will not learn this, right? And you are memorizing that much. Even though you are sleeping, you will be answering it, right? So I will give 2 minutes time. We'll see who's going to answer, or let us wait for the answer. Anyone is giving any answer. I'm curious about why you have learned this formula, right? Okay, I'm getting answers like expansion and simplifying the equations in the variable form, and then while solving algebra equations, this formula helps. Okay. Okay, I'm okay with this because definitely while you are learning, you have learned this for algebra. I know it very clearly. Why you have learned? Where you're using it? That's it, my question. In real life. In real life. Now, additionally, real life. Okay, how you got this formula? Any idea about it? Don't know. Okay. Okay, Praveen. Really happy for your answer. Please, you're saying it. Okay. So, guys, how did you got this formula? Any idea about it? How did you got this formula? From where you got this formula? Any idea about it? This formula has been derived from geometry. Okay, calculate area of volume from square area of square. Okay. So A plus B and A minus B is different one. A plus B and A minus 1 is a different one. Okay, fine. So tomorrow also I'll be asking the same question. Why you learn this formula and where you are using this formula? That is my question. So keep that in your mind. Okay, guys. So keep this in your mind and I'll be asking the same question tomorrow also. Okay, I want an answer. Okay. Now let us see how this formula is going to help us to find some square values. How this formula is going to help us. That is what we are going to see right now. Okay. So now I know that we all will be writing this formula in the format. Okay, we will be writing in a format like once again. Let me change it as okay. Let me take this black screen so that you can see. Okay, see here. So now A plus be the whole square. I'll be getting this as easily. I'll be writing this a square plus b square plus 2ab. Or if you will be writing in this format a square plus b 2ab plus b square. So this is how you will be writing this. But we are just going to modify this formula in a different order. That's it. We are going to modify this and we are going to find the answer. So a plus b the whole square is equal to, I'll be writing first a square, then b square, then 2ab, then I'll be writing 2ab. So by using this method, small change in this formula, I'm going to find this. So here I'll be adding them. After this, I will be adding them. This small method is going to give a very big change for finding answers. Okay. So let me show it over there. A square, b square plus 2ab. So this is what called as Mignon's method. Okay. We used to call this method as Mignon's method. Okay. So this is the actual format for Mignon's method. Okay. Let us go for sums and then you will be like getting a clear idea about it. Okay. Let us go for 67. So let me solve it first and then we can go for PPT presentation. Okay. Now we have 67 square. Okay. I'm going to write this as 67 square in a format. So 6 is equal to A and 7 is going to be B. Okay. 6 and 7 is going to be B. Okay. That's it. So now my formula is nothing but A square, B square, and 2AB. So this is how I'm going to write it, right? So for 6 square is nothing but 36. 7 square is 49. So now, in normally when we are multiplying them, we will be giving a gap for the last number, right? So saying we are going to give a gap for the last number and then we are going to add them. So 2AB, 2 into 6 into 7. So first of all, we can go for 6 into 7. I'll be getting 42. 42 into 2, I'll be getting as 84. So 84 over here. So 9, 8. So I can add 6 plus 8 or else I can directly add 36 plus 8 which is 44. Which is whichever is comfortable for you, you can do it in that way. So now my answer is 4489 is my answer, which is nothing but 67 into 67 or 67 square values is what my value. Okay, so hope you all got this. So let me give once again. Let us see it in the presentation. So let us take this as a square and b square. Now a square is gone to 6 and b square is gone to 7 and a square is 36, b square is 49. So as I said, we are supposed to give which is 2 into 6 into 7. So 2, 6, sorry, 7, 6 are 42. So again into 2, I'll be getting 84 and 9 will be the last number. So my answer will be 9, 8. Again for 36 plus 18 I can do or else I can add 6 plus 8, 14, 4, 1 balance and then again I can write 4. That is your wish. Whichever is comfortable for you, you can do it in that way. Okay. 44, 89 is my answer. Okay. Let us see for another question. So my question is 36 square. Okay. What is going to be value for 36 square? So A value is 3, B value is 6. So my answer is 3 square is 9 and 6 square is 36 and 2AB, 2 into 3 into 6. 6 3s are, which is 18, 18 2s are 36. So I'm supposed to add them properly. So 6 and 9 and again 9 and 3 is there. So if I add them, I'll be getting 12. Okay, so my answer is 1296. Okay, fine. So guys, any doubt in this question? Any doubt in this last two questions or you're clear in this method? Can you get a quick yes or no? Or I have to explain another some more sums? Clear, Guru. Okay, Guru. No. Okay, then I think you can solve the questions, right? That means I think you people are ready to solve the questions. If the questions is 63 square, do we write 3 square or as 9 or 09? If it is 63, we will be writing it as last number is 3 there, so we will be writing it as 09. We will be writing it as 09. Okay, good question. Okay, let us see for another one more example. So what is there? So 77. So it is very simple question. So 7 sevens are 49. So again 49. So again 7 into 7, 7 into, sorry, 7 into 7 into 2. So 49, again 49 into, so guys, 49 into 2, don't calculate it very slowly. Like see, again 52s are 100 and 100 minus 2, I will be getting us 98. So that is how you are supposed to calculate. I don't know how many of them are calculating in this way. So just 98. So very simple. I know that 45 is nearest value of 50. So 50 minus 1 is just 40. I'm using SAR method once again. I'm using SAR method again. So if you are using all the shortcuts in a single question, definitely it will save your time. Definitely it will save your time. I'm sure. Okay, so that see here also I use SAR method. Okay, so that is how you're supposed to solve the questions. So 98, so you are supposed to add them. So 9, so 12, one balance. So again 49, 50, 50 plus 9, so I'll be getting 59. Super, super Divya. So my answer is 59. 29 is my answer. Okay, okay, let us go for a quick question. Sorry, I have shown the question, right? Okay, fine. Let us go for a quick question. So let us see who is going to answer first. Don't use your mobile phones. Keep it inside. Okay. Fine. So 64 square. Venkesh Kumar, I think so. Venkesh, wait. I have given the answer first. Okay, super. Okay, super. Everyone are trying it, and few are still not trying. I didn't get from my rest method at least. I have got so much replays, but for this method, I didn't get that much replay. It's quite small, disappointing, but still I can understand that it is a little bit hard when compared to mirrors method. Fine, but still good guys. Okay, so let us check the answer. So answer is 4096. Okay, let us go for quick another question. So question is 89 square. I think Dipti have given the first answer and followed by Guru. Okay, fine. Now I'm getting some response. Okay, superb. So thank you guys. Let us check the answer. Okay, you are ready? Check the answer. Answer is 7921. Okay, so now let us go for the next question. So be ready with the question. Sorry, be ready to type the answer. Okay, be ready. So question is okay. I think there is no questions. Okay, sorry. Question is 123. Okay, so guys, don't want this. We can come this once again. So let me give another question. Okay, let me give another question. So question is okay. So question we can take this as 78 square. Okay, I'm waiting for your answers. Final answer. Sorry. Okay, guys, super. We have given your answers. Okay, good. So hope you all are clear with these numbers, right? So for this question, I think Shreya have given the first answer. Okay, super. So hope you all are clear with this two digit number. I hope you all are. I think someone have raised their hand. Let me check once. Kavya, can you say what is your doubt? Can you put it in the question box? You have raised your hand. Kavya, put your question in the question box so that I can read your question because your hand has been raised. Sorry. Okay, I think she have raised her hand unknowingly. Okay, let me lower her hand. You guys, don't worry if you have any doubts, just put it in the chat box. Because yesterday I said that we have an issue like I have a glitch there, but right now I can see all of your chats there. Automatically, there is no issue with your chats, so you can put it in the chat box. If you're not getting your answer, like for example, if I didn't reply for your question, like raise your hand so that I can go through it once again, or you can raise your hand and then you can put it in the chat box so I can read it once more again. Okay. So fine. So now here it is two digits, so you all have learned it. So now when it comes for three digit, okay, when it comes for three digit, how we are going to solve it? That is what next one. So that is what next question we have. So if it is three digit number, what we are going to do? So three digit number, what is three digit number? We have 123 square. So now we have 123 square. So how we are going to split this number? Any idea? So there we have only two digit. Now we here are three digit. Okay, A is equal to 12, B is equal to 3. Okay, super, super. Sunil. Sanjay have again it. Okay, really good. Good, Sanjay. Okay, others, any idea how can I split this number 123 square? Okay, Sunil have given, yeah, I think Sunil have tried this question. Super. Sanjay. Okay, 12 plus 3, 12 plus 3, okay, 100 plus 23. Okay, it's a good one, Fatima. It's a good one. 100 plus 3, sorry, 100 plus 23 into 2. Good one. I didn't expect this answer. Good. See, maths is all about how you're solving it, how you're taking and how you're splitting or how you're making that for convenient for yourself. You can make anything convenient for you people, guys. Okay. So, cannot be right. Okay, no, we can't write it as A plus B plus C to the power of C square. We can't write it in that format, but we can use the same method. So always keep this in your mind. Where A can be any digit. A can be number of digits. It can be two digit, three digit, four digit, five digit, but B should have only one digit. So B should have only one digit. So that is the only thing you are supposed to see it over here. In this, you are supposed to see only thing. So if you have 228, B will be 8 and A will be 22. That is how we are supposed to calculate it. So always keep this in your mind. B should be in only one digit and A can have number of digits. A can have number of digits, but B should have only one digit. Okay. So now see this. Let us go for the answer. Okay. So now we have split this. So 12 square is 144. 3 square is we all know it is 0, 9. So I'll be writing 0, 9. Okay. 0, 9 and 12 into 2 into 3. So 12 into 2 into 3, 72. So they have directly returned the answer. So which is nothing but 3 12s are 36. 36 into 2, I'll be getting 72. Okay, my answer is 72. So they have given directly. Don't worry, it is not a mistake. It's that they have given the answer directly. Okay. So 2 into 12 into 3. So 12 3 is at 36. 36 into 2, I'll be getting 72. So now I'm supposed to add it. So 9 and 0 2. So if I add 0 2, I'll get it 2 and 7. I can directly add like 144 plus 7, or else I can add 7 and 4, and then I can go for 14, and then I will be having remainder, or else I can directly add 144 plus 7. I'll be getting 151. Okay, I'll be getting 151. So this is how I'll be splitting 3-digit numbers. Okay, I'll be doing even if it is 4 digits. So first digit will be there and balance one digit will be the last if it is 4 digit. So by using this number, you can easily find values till 1,000 square values. It's very simple. By using this one single trick, you can find values for those numbers easily. Okay, okay, sorry. Okay, let me take the chat box. Okay, hope you people are ready to find answers. Okay, so keep your hands ready. So let us see who's gonna answer first once again. Okay, so your question is 2 to 1 square. So 2 to 1 square. So what is value for 2 to 1 square? So you are supposed to have A values 22 and B values 1. So you are supposed to write 0, 1, not 1 separately. You are supposed to write 0, 1. Okay, keep that in your mind also, guys. So who was the first person? I think Siddharth again you have answered first. Super. I believe Siddharth is not using his mobile phone. Okay, Siddharth. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. I'm just kidding. Okay. Okay. So let us go for next question. So your answer is 4 4. Sorry, 488. 4 when. Okay. Let us go for next question. So 472 square. 472 into 472 square. Sorry, 472 square. Let us see who's going to answer for this question first. So, guys, I know that it's a little bit hard to calculate because you are trying for the first time. Even if you're giving this question for me, I will take at least 20 seconds or 30 seconds. Okay. So, just calculate. No worries. Calculate in your mind. Calculate in your mind. Try to calculate in your mind. For first time, no problem. You can try it by your own self or with pen and paper. But try to calculate in mind. Okay. Once you're mastering this, it will be easy to calculate until 1,000 square. You can easily say it in a single shot. Okay, Guru have given the answer 222784. What will be the answer? Okay, I think that is the answer. Yeah, that is the answer. So 84, 7. Yes. So Guru have given the answer first. Okay, good. So Ramya have given an answer like 4958. So Ramya, I didn't get you. You have given for some other question or you have tried for this question? Or else let me solve this question. Okay, let me solve this question in a quick short, like because I think okay, I think you are trying in a different ways. So let me solve this question once again. So check how I am solving. Okay, check whether how I am solving and check whether we both are solving in the same method. Like I'll be solving in an easy way. So just check this out. Okay. So now my question is 472 square, right? 472 square. Okay, it's very easy. So my first step is I'm supposed to do A is equal to 47 and B is equal to 2. Okay. So my A value is 47. I know how to find 47 square. 47 square value I can find Mirror's method. I hope you all remember Mirror's method because today only we have seen that Mirror's method. So 47 square. So 47 square minus 23 minus 2. So 23, sorry, 25 minus 3, I'll be getting 22. So my answer will be 22 and 0, 9. So 22, 0, 9 is my answer. And next 2 square is 0, 4. And then my next step is 2 into 47 into 2. So yeah, 2. So this is what my next step. So I'm supposed to multiply with first 2 and then again I'm supposed to multiply with 2. So or else I can do it in another way also, but we can go it in an easy way. So 50 into 2, I'll be getting 100. 100 minus 6. So which is 94. Again 94 and 94, 94, I'll be getting as so 200, 94 it is nearby 100. So 100 into 2, I'll be getting 200. 200 minus 4 fours are sorry, again I'll be having 4, 4 and I'll be having 12 right there. Over there I'll be having it. So if I minus them, I'll be having 118. Right, I will be having 118. So I'll be writing sorry, 188. So last one 4, 8. So 9 is there. So 9 plus 8, what is my value? I'll be getting 17, 1 balance. So 2 and 2, 2. My answer is 2274. Sorry, 784 is my value. So hope you all are calculating in the same way. If somehow if you have missed Miller's method in between, so guys, don't forget that Miller's method in between because that Miller's method is a shortcut which we learned because we are supposed to calculate in a faster way, right? That's the reason we learned Miller's method also. That's the only reason we have learned the Miller's method also. Can you know how much of you people have used Miller's method in this question? Can you know how much of you people have used this Miller's method in the same question? If you are using two methods at the same time, you just put it in the question box. I mean, chat question box. Okay, Ramya, okay. Tell me first that, okay, Nitish Kumar is asking for once again. Okay, let me say once again. Uh, this method is- Fatima, I didn't understand which method is taking extra time for you. Fatima, can I get which method is taking extra time for you? This hyphy method. So here we are not using hyphy method, Fatima. Like we have used a simple thing. It's not hyphy method here. We have used the mirrors method and minions method. Hyphen, when we have files in the end, we will be using hyphen method. Here we are not using hyphen method. I think you have confused with names. Okay, no worries. Okay, once again, tell me mirrors method. Okay, for again, guys, once again, let me teach you mirrors method once again. So, guys, don't think that he is taking again and again. Guys, once more, listen. That's it. So, very simple. So mirrors method, let me say it in a quick short way. Here at all, we will be using mirrors method, and I will do one example for one question, any for any one question. Okay, so mirrors method will be using from 41 to 59, or else we can write this as 40 to 60. Okay, and then we will be using it 91 to 109, or we can write this as 90 to 110. In these places, we will be using mirrors method. For this method, when we have 40 to 60 method, we will be having base as 50. When it is 90 to 109, so when it is 90 to 109, we will be having base as 100. So here I'm supposed to add or subtract with 25. Here I always add or subtract with same number. I will be doing with same number. Okay, that's all the difference for mirrors method, which is 40 to 60 and as well as 90 to 110. This is a simple change in both the numbers I have given in the splitted way. So now let us go for one example. So let us take a small value, then we can go for bigger value. So 48. So 48 square once again. So 48 square. So the difference, my base number is 50. 50 minus 2, I'll be getting 48, or plus 2, I'll be getting 48. I'll be doing minus 2, I'll be getting 48. So that means 48 minus 2, sorry, 50 minus 2, I'll be getting 48. Okay. Now, 25 minus 2. Now, I'm supposed to subtract with this 25. 25 minus 2, I'll be getting as 23. So, I already said that you're supposed to have, if you have 2, 1, 3, then you're supposed to write 0, 1 or 0, 2, sorry, 0, 4 or 0, 9. So I'll be writing 2304 as my answer. Okay. When coming for this number, which is 90 to 110, so let's keep 107. So if it is 107, so it is 100 plus 7, I'll be getting 7. So that means 107 plus 7. Okay. Here we are supposed to add with the same number. So same number is 107. So 107 plus 7. So I'll be getting 114, and 7 square is 49. So my answer is 49. So my answer is 11449 is going to be my answer. So that's it, guys. So that's all. This is a short about mirrors method. Okay. Okay, that is short about mirrors method. Okay, so now again solve this question in Minion's method. Again, we have questions. So what is 72 square? So come on, make it fast. What is value for 72 square? Okay, Jay have given the answer first. The answer is nothing but 5184 is your answer. Okay, superb, superb guys, superb. You are trying it really great. Okay, fine. So let us check our answer. Yeah, that is the right answer. So, okay, so they have given how to split the number. Okay, no problem. We can calculate by ourselves. Okay, let us see who can calculate it fast. So let us be ready for the next question. Okay, be ready for the next question. Our next question is 982 square. So 982 square. So what is answer for 982 square? Let us see. So here it is three-digit number. So definitely I'm getting six digit as an answer. See how we are going to get this answer. So 982 square. Okay. So we don't want how to split it. So try to find the answer. Try to find the answer. Okay, let us find the answers. Okay. 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 I'm also calculating. I'll also calculate for this question. Okay. Okay. 98 square. First of all, 98 is very simple. I will calculate in Miller's method. So it will be like around 960. Okay. So somehow when Guru have given the answer. Okay. Let me calculate it. No problem. Let me calculate. Okay. Fine. Four. Okay. Yes. So that is your answer, Guru. Yeah, you are right. Okay. Super, guys. Super. We all are trying it really great. Leave this. Our answer is 964 324 is your answer. No worries. Okay, 964 34 is your answer. Okay, no worries. Okay, okay, you look this is not needed. Okay, this is just for. Okay, so what is answer for this question? 1094 square. 1094 square. What is value for the square? So definitely you're going to find 8-digit square value. For 4-digit square value, you're going to get it in 8-digit. We are going to calculate it. Come on, find it out. I don't feel that it's really hard because I know that you will be feeling this hard because you have tried the previous method, which is normal multiplication for like around 10 years. 12 years you have used the same method. You have used the same method for 12 years. When Menakashi and given the right answer, you have given the answer. Good. Okay, and Guru also have given the answer. Okay, Siddharth. Okay, everyone are giving your answers. Really great. But the thing is, don't feel like I can understand that when I'm giving previously, I'm giving some easy questions. You people are posting for around 100, 200 students are giving the answer. When I'm giving a larger question, I'm getting answers like very little, like I'm getting only 20, 30. That's it. I'm not getting the same value. Guys, try to understand. You have used this used to the use this normal method which you have learned for years. You are learning this kind of shortcut method only for not even 3 hours. It's like only 2 hours. In the 2 hours, we are learning different methods for one day. So don't think that it will be like easy when you are starting itself. It will feel easy when you are trying it continuously. When you're practicing it, definitely it will be easy and it will help you in most of the cases. So that is what you're supposed to understand, guys. Okay. So we have only last 10 minutes, right? Okay, let us keep this last 10 minutes for doubt clarification, or if you have any doubts or any questions or any queries, you can put in the question box. Let me check the question. Okay. So here again they have given the same thing. So we don't want this way. Okay. So that's it. So for today's class, I think this is more enough. We have learned many when compared to yesterday's class. Okay. Fine. Now if you have any questions, you can put it in the question box. Or if you don't have any questions, you can put it as no, you don't have any doubt. If you have any doubt, put the question over there. Okay, come on. Let me get a quick reply from you people. No doubt. Okay, no doubts. Sebin, okay. So can you explain the last method once again, please? Have net issues so they okay, Kartiman, let me see the last method once again. So can I present it over there, or I have to explain it in one by one step, or I can use the blackboard and I can explain. Can I use that? Okay. I think you are eagerly waiting to live the webinar, right? Or you have some other work over there. Okay, blackboard. Okay, fine. Let me explain over there. So same, let us take same 123. Okay, so we have 123 square. So always you all know that Cardinal, like you are supposed to have only last number should be in B should be always in a single digit. So it should be one digit. So B is equal to sorry 3 and A will be having 12. Okay, so I'm supposed to write it as in the format of A square, B square, and 2AB. This is what my format. Okay, so now I'm going to write this in this format. Okay, so first I have A is 12. So 12 square is 144. Next I have 3. So 3 square is 0, 9. So whenever I'm adding with any multiply numbers, I'll be giving this last number as space, right? So same thing I'm going to do this. And then, so we have to do 12 into 3 into 2. So this is 2AB, right? 2AB, 2AB. So 12 threes are 36. So 36 into 2, I'll be getting 72. 36 into 2, I'll be getting 72. So now I'm supposed to add these 5 numbers with this 2-digit number. So I'll be adding 2 and 144 plus 7. So I'll be getting 5, 1 over here, and I'll be having 1 here. So I'll be having and is 9 is over here. Okay, I'll be having 15129 is my answer. Okay, so this is how I'll be calculating this calculation. This is how you can use for any 3-digit number, or even if you want 4-digit number, you can use this. Okay, so that is what I will present. I will show the presentation also so that you can get a clear idea also about the same. Okay, so guys, any other doubts? If you have any other doubts, you can put in the chat box. Guys, do you have any other doubts? If anyone have any doubts, put it in the chat box. No doubt. Okay, Kartiman, I've given in advance. Thank you in advance, right? I think you have given in advance. Thank you in advance. Okay, fine. So no doubt. Okay, Rohit, super. Okay, someone have raised their hand and again. Okay. So guys, no doubt. Thank you, sir. Okay, thank you, man. But don't use the meeting. We can just give a total recall. Okay, so let's do a total recall. So for the past 2 days, what are the things we have learned? Can anyone put it in the chat box or question box? So what are the methods or what are the things we have learned in the past 2 days? I mean, past 1 day, yesterday and today. So can you mention all the types in the question box? Multiplication and squares method. So we have given in a simple way, multiplication and square methods. Okay, simple answer, good. I want the method name because like I don't know how much of them are clear about method names because you are supposed to be clear on the method name. If suddenly if you don't know what to do and you can say that you can do square method or minion method, you can address it in easy form, right? That's the reason I'm asking method name. So what are the methods we have seen? Come on, I'm waiting for your answer, guys. Hi5, saw holes, Hi5 mirrors, minion, mirror with minion, Hi5 minion. Okay, saw 11 multiple, 101, Hi5 mirror, minion. Okay, saw method, Hi5 method, minion method, 11 multiple, 101. It's not 101, you can try it for 1001 also, 001 also, that is your wish. But still, that is an method, that's all. Okay. Hope you all are giving the answers. So you all are taking notes. I hope, I believe that you all are taking notes. Okay. So guys, that's all for today's class. So for tomorrow, we will be seeing some more extra methods, which will be not even relatable for this method which we have learned. Few might be not relatable, and few might be new thing for in the next class. Okay. So be ready to learn new things tomorrow also, and eagerly waiting, sir. Okay. Super. Okay, tomorrow from tomorrow onwards we will see with square roots, cube roots, and so on, so on. That will be like little more interesting. When compare for multiplication, addition, subtraction, division is quite a little bit hard for everyone, right? Let us go for division and square roots, cube roots, and so on. That will be quite a little bit interesting, right? Okay. So guys, thank you all. You can leave the meeting. Thank you all. This is Manoj signing off. Okay, thank you. Good night. Okay, good night, man. Good night. Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you, Harini. Thank you, Surya and Sister Rohit. Thank you all. Bye bye. Okay, thank you for my dedication. Okay, thank you. Bye. Bye, Rohit.